All right, so continuing where I left off. So again, I solved for y, and then I substituted what y is equal to, because again, I'm trying to get the idea into your brain that the equal sign just means these two things are essentially the same thing. They're equivalent. Okay, a lot of times people see an equal sign and that means that they, excuse me, can't talk today, that it means that they have to do something, that they have to solve something. Okay, an equal sign is just saying that both sides of the equal sign are equivalent. If you picture a balance scale, these two things would balance each other out. They are worth the same thing. So that's why I can take this and substitute it in for that over in the other equation. All right, so now it's just solving an equation. All right, so I have 4x plus, I'm going to get rid of my parentheses now because this isn't changing anything since this is a plus sign, so it's just plus 2 minus 3x equals 20. All right, and then I combine my like terms, and I have 4x minus 3x becomes 1x plus 2 equals 20. And then I subtract 2 from both sides. And then x equals 18. Okay, so if I did everything correctly and I didn't write anything wrong and I copied everything down correctly, x should be equal to 18. So when I'm writing my final answer as an ordered pair, because remember that's what it is, the solution to a systems of equation is just where the two lines intersect. So my answer is going to be an ordered pair. My x coordinate should be 18. Now I can plug or substitute 18 into either of these equations, and I can figure out what my y value is. All right, so I'm just going to plug it into this first one. So if I go 3 times, I'm going to plug 18 in for x. Sorry, that's an 18 plus y equals 2. All right, then I have 3 times 18, and that would be 1854 plus y equals 2. Subtract 54 from both sides. And then you get y is equal to negative 52. So then my y coordinate should be negative 52. All right, so I'm just going to, if I plug it, both of these numbers, we already checked, it'll work in this equation, but it should also work in this equation as well. So I'm going to just double check, and I'm going to plug 18 in for x in my second equation. So I'll go 4 times 18 plus, and then plus y, I'm going to put in plus negative 52. Okay. Hopefully that equals 20. So 4 times 18 is 72. Plus a negative 52 is just like minus 52, which hopefully equals 20. And if I go 72 minus 52, that is 20. So 20 equals 20. It checks out. So 18 negative 52 is my answer. And quickly, you could also plug it into that online graphing calculator Desmos, and